Welcome to Light of Christ School, where Christ is our model and children are our focus. We at Light of Christ come together with parents, teachers, and specialists to provide the best learning for your child. We create educational opportunities that meet your child's developmental readiness, skills, attitudes, personality, interests, and goals. Your child's social, emotional, spiritual, and developmental needs are very important to us. The Alberta Program of Studies for Kindergarten Math requires that children learn about number sense, sorting and pattern making, shapes, and measurement. At Light of Christ, we teach these concepts in a fun and engaging manner so that children learn in ways that make learning memorable. Math is about meeting the world, making observations, and communicating findings. It's so much more than worksheets. In both of our English and French immersion kindergarten programs, mathematics instruction focuses on play, practice, and real-world applications. We believe that learning can and should be fun. Play and exploration are used to create a solid foundation for later learning. In other words, the math manipulatives that your child uses today to create patterns help to form the neural pathways for later algebraic equations, just as measuring the length of a book with paper clips creates a foundational understanding of perimeter and area. Please come learn more about Light of Christ School, where Christ is our model and children are our focus. Thank you.